How to change language in Asphalt 8. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Asphalt 8 and looking to change the game language, then the process is quite easy and can be done in just a few minutes. First of all, launch open the Asphalt 8 game on your device, and once you're inside the game homepage, which looks like this over here, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Now this will open up several menus on the screen where you'll need to select language. You'll see a list of languages available. Go ahead and select your preferred language from the list, and once you do that, your in-game language setting will change immediately. You can always go back to the language section and change to your language of your preference by just selecting it. And once you do that, you will be able to change your language setting immediately in the game. So that's how you change your language in the Asphalt 8 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.